So on this first episode, I'll be trying different types of hair removal products from Veet, and we'll see how we go. To be honest, I've actually never done waxing before, so I'm a little worried it'd hurt. I've always been one of those people who just use the tubes of cream and just wait 5 minutes and scrape it off, but yeah, we'll see. So let's get started. So to start off with, we got this Veet Face High Precision Wax. So basically it's this little tube which looks like a lip gloss tube because it's so small, and you put that in hot water for about 1 minute. That's just to heat up the wax. Then using this little tip inside, you can use it to apply. So I did it between my brows. You just apply it and put a strip on it, rub it a bit in the direction of hair growth and rip. So let's see. It's pretty good because it was like painless and it was precise. The only thing about it is that I had to do it another time because it didn't quite clean all my hairs, but otherwise I think it was pretty good for what it is. I'd give this a 9 out of 10. Next is the Easy Sensitive Cold Wax Strips. So basically strips that already have a little thin layer of wax in them, and all you gotta do is heat it up between your hands, rip it apart, put it on your leg and rip it off. Yeah, this is only meant for your arms and your legs, so not your underarms and other areas. Basically, I've got two. This one strip is for 2 uses, one for each side of the strip. And I'm still okay. That should be warm enough. So when it's warm enough, I guess it's like you can bend it now, and it's like means the wax is good. So now what I'm going to do is rip these strips together, like so, and put one on my leg here. So you rub it in the direction of hair growth, which for me is this, well, I think for everyone is this way. 3. Yeah, it's taking out my hair. I don't think you'll be able to see it, but I personally can see like it's taking out my hair. And I've got like this patch on my leg of hairlessness. It's a bit sticky, but if I put on the wipes it won't be, I hope so. And so, yeah, it works pretty well. It didn't actually hurt as much as I expected it to. I expected it to be super painful. It's pretty good, but my only thing I'd have to say is it took me such a long time just to rub it between my hands. Either because I'm really unco with that, or just took me forever. But otherwise, 9 out of 10. So this is a Veet Sensitive Skin Hair Removal Cream, and it's basically a cream where it's 100% painless. You just apply it to either your arms, legs, bikini line, or underarm, and you wait 5 minutes, and you scrape it off, and then you rinse it off. So yeah, let's try it out. So for creams like these, all you gotta do is, got this tube with a little spatula, you just apply a little bit, put it on your leg, on the desired area, or your arm, wherever you feel like it. So I'm gonna put it here, because I haven't tried waxing here yet. Just a thin layer is all that's needed. And you just wait for 5 minutes. Okay, so 5 minutes is up now. All you gotta do is take it off in the opposite direction of hair growth. And then, yeah, you've got all the hair there, and you just rinse off your leg and you're done. I'd give this an 8.5 out of 10. It works well, but it just takes such a long time. You have to have time before you shower to sit in the bathroom for 5 minutes, and you gotta rinse it off. So yeah, otherwise 8.5. So that's all for today's episode on Try This, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave me a comment below telling me like what's your favorite type of hair removal product, or what do you do as an alternative. And you can leave me ideas of what to do next in the comments below. Till next time.